Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the Leetcode problem number 1344. It's an angle between hands of clock. Okay, so we'll try to understand what the problem says, and the question is very easy. Okay, so let's try to understand first. So what the question saying, that we have given two numbers, that is hours and minute, and we have to return the smallest angle in degree that forms between the hours and the minute. Means, let's suppose for this case we have the at 12:30, right? We have at 12:30 like this. It is on the 12, right? And it goes to the 6, so it becomes 12:30, right? So this angle and this angle, which one is smaller one? This one. So we have to return this angle. Basically, if you want to find the angle between the minute and the minute and the hours, right? The angle, right? In that case, how will you find that? So to find the angle between the hour and the minute, right, of this analog clock or the watch, we have to use a very simple formula, right, based on the position of both hands, right? Either this hand and this hand, right? So there is a universal formula, like if you want to find, so you can just use the angle, right? And this angle will come in 30h minus 5.5h m. Sorry, this will be the 30h minus 5.5 m. Okay, so this is the universal formula we have, guys. Okay, so this is your m. Give me 1 second. Okay, like this. So you apply this formula, definitely you are able to solve this problem, where this h represents the hours, right? So for 12 hours, if this is 12 hours, so in this case we have 12 hours, not the 24. So this is 12 hours, so we will use h either 0 or 12. Okay, either use h for this and this, or if you are using for minute, right? Minute represents the minute. Okay, how many minutes you have given, correct, guys? So you know the both thing. So it means we have to find the absolute value of these two. Means whatever the data is coming, it should be always positive. Means the result should make the positive result, right? If the calculated angle is greater than 180, right, it means we have to subtract from where? 360. Okay, why? Because if we subtract from one let's suppose the 360 means from here to here whole angle, right? That is called 360. So if half is this, so after the half, so these angles becomes more than the half, right? This part. So what happens, that this angle is bigger one, right? If this angle is bigger one, you just need to do what? 360 minus, let's suppose from 180, it is coming 189. Let's suppose 189 is coming, it means we do minus 189. The remaining, so from here you will get 1 and 6, and this is no, this is 5, right? So 15 minus 8, you can use 7, and 2, remaining 2 and 1, so 171. So the angle remains is 171. If let's suppose, like, I'm just telling you, okay? So like that we will find it. Basically, if the calculated angle is greater than 180, if it is greater than 180, right, in that case what we have means this angle is greater than 180, right? In that case we will do the subtract, and the subtracted one you will return here, right? So this is what we want to do, guys. Understand? So in our case, what we have given, let's try to understand. So we'll apply this formula. Okay, so we have given 12 and 30 minutes, right? So what we will do, so we know that h we will use either 12 or 0, correct? Or m we will use here is a 30, because 12 and 30 we have given, right? So just apply the formula. We know that how will 30 into 12 we have to do, right? Minus 5.5 into 30. right? So it become how much? This one, it approximately will come, let's suppose, some value, right? If you'll calculate it, guys, I have calculated this, so it will come around, let's suppose 360 minus 165 you have to do. Why? Because it will come around that. Okay, so you need to do is 195 degree you are getting total. Okay, these are in the degree, guys. Okay, so 195 degree will come, but as I told you, if the resultant is coming more than 180 degree, you have to subtract from what? 160. So what you need to do, let's understand. From 360 minus, you have to do 195, right? And that it will come 165 degree. So this is the result we have given here. Okay, let's try to understand from the code, guys. So in the code wise, what you need to do is just either you will, if it is 12, either you is 0, or you can keep it like that all. Okay, so double angle you can find like this, right? And minute will remain same, just you multiply by this one. Okay, so this is you have given. Now to find the absolute difference, you will do this minus this, right? The R angle means minute angle, you will do minus, you will get the angle. Now you just check if greater than 180, you just do that 160 minus the angle, otherwise give the angle whatever the angle is there, right? This is what we wanted to do. If you still have any doubt, let me know in the comment section and we'll go from there. Thank you so much for watching till now. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to give the answer. I'll review my previous comments and I'll provide the details. I was a little busy, so I haven't found the time to review the things. Okay, the comments. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.